In Kasten Construction Company versus Maple Ridge Construction, we'll see whether a buyer who failed to pay a seller on time in a contract to purchase real property was entitled to specific performance. Maple Ridge Construction Company entered into a contract with Kasten Construction Company to buy a tract of land in a new housing development. The contract established a specific date by which Maple Ridge had to pay Kastan. The contract didn't state that time was of the essence. Maple Ridge faced financial issues, so Maple Ridge and Kasten agreed to extend the date for Maple Ridge's payment. The extension was put in writing, but the parties didn't state that time was of the essence. The initial contract held that Kastan would present Maple Ridge with a finished and completed lot. However, during the contract period and the extension, Kastan didn't take actions to deliver a finished lot, including installing utilities and sewage lines. Eventually, the extension payment date passed, but Maple Ridge failed to make its payment to Kastan. 5 days after the extension date, Maple Ridge notified Kastan that it had applied for a title examination that would be completed in about 3 weeks. Kastan notified Maple Ridge that the initial contract and the extension date had both expired, so the contract was null and void because Maple Ridge failed to make its required payment. Maple Ridge sued Kastan for specific performance of the contract. The trial court held in favor of Maple Ridge and granted Maple Ridge specific performance of the contract, but ordered Maple Ridge to pay interest to Kastan. Kastan appealed to the Maryland Court of Appeals.